Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 112 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. Today, we are diving into arpeggios with exercise number 163 and 164.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
Okay, so Marchesi writes about arpeggios here in the beginning. She says, arpeggi should be sung quite evenly, avoiding, above all, any increase of power in the higher notes. I feel called out. Do you feel called out? Okay. Anyways, we're going to pay attention. The pupil should pass with precision from one note to another, not by detaching them, but by lightly joining them. Yeah, right? So you don't want to do, oh, that sounds, no. Actually, I have an idea about how we're going to do this. Okay, so we've got this exercise 163, which so we have that diminished scale as we come down on 163. Do you notice that? Okay, and we're going to be using that diminished scale in 164 as well, where we have so get yourself familiar with that pattern, okay? That's going to be very important in what we're doing here in the next few exercises, okay? And here is exercise 163, and I will do a couple of transpositions of this. So what I'm really trying to do is stay nice and light and flexible and as accurate as possible. So you don't want to sing these like with the weight of the world on the voice, okay? Just sing these nice and light and feeling the flow of that line. Okay, and here is exercise 164, and just notice it's a little bit trickier. We've got this, that interval can catch you. You might be tempted to do, and I'm debating because she's got slur marks, right? So you might go, and not a breath, but a detachment. You could possibly do that. I don't know. Maybe, but let's for right now try to do that all in one smooth breath. So it's a little tricky with that going back down, right? But it's not too bad. I think you'll find the flow. We can try that again. Somehow I want to do bum, 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 but not the full step, right? So just catch yourself because that might be a spot where it gets a little hitchy.